Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a gingerbread cat. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artist, today we're drawing a gingerbread cat and this cat is so cute. I can't wait to draw it. So the first thing we're gonna do is his head. So I'm gonna start in the center of the paper but a little high, and we're gonna do a curve. So I'm gonna do a curve like this, and then on the bottom we're gonna do 3 more. So it's gonna look like this: 1, 2, and 3. And this is kind of like his hair, frosting hair that he has in the middle. So I'm gonna go here from the center to the left, and I'm gonna go down. And now from the center to the right, I'm gonna do another ear. It's like a triangle, and I'm gonna pass this frosting part, okay? So I pass this part. Now let's do the face, and we're gonna do 2 curves, and we're gonna leave a big space here in the center. So this curve is gonna go like this to the right, and I'm making another one in the left. So I'm leaving about probably 3 or 4 finger space in between these two, okay? Now, here in the center, in the middle of these two, let's make a bow and then we work on the face. So in the middle, we're gonna do a little circle. And now we're gonna do the bow by doing a curve, a curve. Now let's go down, down, and we're gonna come back with a curve. Okay? And inside, we're gonna do kind of like a second loop, and we're gonna do a curve in here and a curve in here. Okay, now let's continue with the face. So here in the center of the bow, I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna do a teensy weensy nose with a curve and a little triangle on the bottom. Now we're gonna do 2 U shapes, one to the left and one to the right. Now let's do his eyes, and I'm gonna leave about a finger space, okay? And I'm gonna do an oval shape, and I'm gonna fill this with black. Now again, a finger space, and I'm doing another oval shape with filling it with black. And I'm leaving the whiskers at the end. You wait for the end of the video so you see how we're gonna put it on there with once that the color is in. Next, we're gonna do his arms. So I want to start on the left side. I want to do a curve like this, and I'm leaving a space between the bow and the arm. Now for the right side, I'm just gonna do a line. I'm not gonna do the curve, just a line, because he's holding a candy cane. So let's finish the body and then we continue with the candy cane. I'm gonna go down here. We're gonna do a line, and from this side, I'm just gonna leave a space here, and kind of like at the same distance, I'm gonna do a line. Okay. Now between these two, we're gonna put a horizontal line. It's a short line, and then we can join these two with a curve. So I'm gonna go a curve, and from this side a curve. Okay, we did the feet first, so we know where the candy cane is gonna end. So I'm gonna start my candy cane here by doing a U shape. Okay, now this U shape is gonna go up and it's gonna turn like a candy cane. So I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna try to touch this line, and if you cannot touch the line, that's okay. We're gonna come back at it, curve, up, come back. Okay, now if your line don't touch like mine, you just need to connect it here, and we're gonna do another one right here. Okay, so it seems like he's holding the candy cane. Now let's do some buttons here in the middle. So we're gonna do 1 and 2 circles. And the very last thing for this cat is gonna be his tail. So I'm gonna do it in this space I have here. I'm gonna do a line, curve, and come back. And there, that's it. We finished with this gingerbread cat. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the picture turned out. Now we put the colors. I think he looks super cute. I add at the end these whiskers, and the reason why is because sometimes if you add it at the beginning and then we pass with a brown color, which was a lot of brown, it makes it something we call bleed. It makes it smear on the other color, so I didn't want that to happen. So I wait until the brown color was right, and then I add the whiskers. And another thing that I did is I leave a wide space all around the cookie. You can actually leave white space to make the decorations for his hands or for his feet. You can use your imagination to add a little bit more to it. And for the candy cane, at the end I have these white oil pastel that I went and I trace this line and makes it look shiny. You can do this too with a white crayon or even with a white color pencil. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!